Okay, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Ngayong araw na ito, ngayong oras na ito ay unbox natin ang isang Jetstream network switch. So this is a Gigabit network switch from TPLINK. The model is TPLINK TL-SG2210M. This is a 10 port Gigabit switch, and this is the order ID, the package label para sa seller's information. Alright, so as you see, yung package na ito ay medyo may mga problema sa package. Ito butas-butas, pero nakakarton siya, and this one also. So mga ito baka during transport pinaghahagis siguro to ng Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so this is the TP-LINK original packaging. So, tingnan nyo kung nakalagay business networking solution. Same with the ER605 nating in-unbox kanina. So, in this episode, we're going to talk about this. Itong network switch na ito. So, ito yung kanyang mga features. Tingnan nyo naman mga features niya. Mga layer 2 features niya. Okay, this is a smart switch anyway. So, this is not managed, but this is a smart switch. Alright. Yan. So, seamless integration to UMADA SDN. Yan yung kanilang controller, no? So, 8 times PoE ports enabled, 10, 100 to 1000 Mbps RJ45 ports, 2 times gigabit SFP slots. Ito yun, yung dalawang yan para sa high speed internet network connectivity, and the switching capacity is 20 gigabits per second. Okay na yan. Then 150 watts ng PoE power budget. Ibig sabihin binabudget ng network switch yung PoE power niya, depende sa mga PoE devices na connected. Okay, pwede natin i-connect yan sa rack. Alright, so let's open it. And so this is Jetstream 10 port gigabit smart switch with 8. Alright, so let's open the thing here. And this one, ito na siya. Okay, so the first time na bubungad sa atin ay yung kanyang, what's this? Installation guide. Ayan, so you have the installation guide. Sasabihin sa'yo kung paano ito gamitin. Ayan. Ayan siya. Okay. Hindi natin buksan kasi alam naman natin gamitin yan. Okay. Next is this thing. This box houses the alright, so this box houses the power cable, this one, and also the screws for the mounting brackets. These are mounting brackets para sa ating network cabinet, network rack. Then this is our anti-slip rubber buttons. Itong mga screws ay para doon sa mounting bracket. Right. Then of course, ang pinakahihintay natin, ito yung ating network switch itself. So let's remove it. Bakal ito mga friends, ha. Hindi ito plastic. So mararamdaman mo talaga yung solid na feel ng machine na ito. This is it. So you have the, what's this? You have the reset button there. Okay. Right, then you have the SPF1 slots here. Unboxing lang naman ito. So, ayan siya. Yun. Alright. Okay, so as of now, wala naman tayong kukonect dyan. Alright, so ganito yung kanyang itsura. So as you see, you have your 8 ports here. So tamang-tama lang po yan dahil meron naman tayong i-connect dito ng mga PoE devices, yung mga UMADA SDN network devices magko-connect po dyan. Alright, sa harapan, sa side will be your fan, and dito will be the inlet for the air. Ayan. So dito sa kabilang side will be the exhaust fan. Dito sa likod, there's nothing here but the security hole, the grounding screw, and also the slot for the power. Then sa ilalim will be the tawag dito, that sticker for this thing. Okay, so yun lang naman ang laman ng ating package. So babalikan natin. Ayan. So this is your Jetstream network switch. Ayan. Okay, so thank you for watching. For more unboxing videos, please subscribe sa ating channel. Thank you. And if you want to buy this one from the store that I bought it from, just head on to the video description and ilalagay ko ang mga product links ng network switch na ito, including the related products.